Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 11 mensuration, chapter exercise 11.4. In that exercise they says about how to find out volume of a cube, how to find out volume of a cuboid, how to find out volume of a cylinder. Then here see, this is the shape of a cuboid shape. This is the shape of a cuboid shape. Then cuboid volume, how to find out? Length is multiplied with breadth and multiplied with the height. So that's why volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height is the formula. Unit represent as a cubic unit is the volume represented. Next, volume of a cube. Cube case, each face are in a square shape. Square speciality, all sides are equal. That's why side value 3 times multiply. Side value multiply 3 times. So formula become A cube. Cubic unit is the formula finding for a volume of a cube. Next shape is volume of a cylinder case. Cylinder. Volume of a cylinder, how to find out means here formula is pi r square h is the formula. Pi r square, how to get to means here see, this is the cylinder shape. In the cylinder shape, top and bottom are the circle shape. This part represent as a curved part. Here circle shape area function, that is base area. Base area of a circle, what is the formula? Pi r square, and multiply with the height of the cylinder. Different sizes cylinders are available. So what we want to do? Area of the circular part is multiplied with the height of the cylinder. That's why volume of a cylinder, how to get a pi r square. So otherwise we can say base area is multiplied with the height of the cylinder. Then this type of questions we are going to discuss here. 11.4 question. First question in that exercise. First question they given that two cylindrical shape is given. Two cylinder shape is given that in this way two cylindrical shape is given. Then question asks check whether which cylinder having more greater volume. So what we want to do here, a measurement is given, height of the cylinder is given as 14 centimeter, then a diameter is given 7 centimeter, then with respect to B, this is A cylinder, this is B cylinder, diameter of B cylinder is 14 centimeter, height given as 7 centimeter, then two cylindrical shapes are the vessels are the, find out which vessel carry more volume. How to find? First step, vessel A case, vessel A or cylinder A case to find out. First procedure. How to find out volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder formula apply. Volume of a cylinder formula is pi r square h is the formula for finding. Just values, pi place 22/7. Then here base and diameter is given. D value is given. How much? 7 centimeter. Convert diameter into radius. How to convert? Radius is the half of the diameter. So half of 7, that means 7/2, fractional wise, right? Then multiply. So r places 7/2, but r square is that's why 2 times the right and multiply. Then h value, height of the first cylinder vessel is how much? 14. That's why h place 14 substitute. Then cancellation goes again, 7 and 7 cancel. 2 and 22, 11 times, 2 and 14, 7 times. Denominator totally 1 only, numerator part to become 11 into 7 into 7 is the denominator part. Just that part to multiply. 11 into 7, 77. 77 is multiplied with the 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 4 comes to be 53. So answer become how much? 539 unit they given as a centimeter. That's why volume represent as a centimeter cube. Then second vessel case, same process. For cylinder B, volume of a cylinder formula applied. Then diameter is given as a how much? 14 centimeter. Radius means half of 14 become 7 centimeter is the radius. Then values substituted. So remember here A case 539 centimeter cube is the volume. Second case we going to find out. Pi place 22 by 7, radius is 7, r square is that. That's why 2 times right and multiply. H value represent as how much? That also 7 only. Cancel 7, 7 cancel. Remaining 22 into 7 sevens are how much? 14 and multiply. Multiply how much will come in? 616 centimeter. Unit represent as a cubic unit. So then which value is more? Vessel A or vessel B volume is more. Here vessel B volume is greater. That's why we can say vessel B or cylinder B have more volume. That is the meaning of this question. Find out which vessel have more volume. Then next we go through second question. In the second question they says that find the height of the cylinder. Find the height of a cylinder, not a cuboid. Height of cuboid whose base area is given. Base area is given as a 180 centimeter square and volume also given. Volume is 900 centimeter cube. In this way we find the height. So cuboid shape, this is the cuboid shape. Then base area, cuboid shape, base area means here base part is in which shape? Rectangle shape. Rectangle case, what is the formula for finding area of a rectangle? Length into breadth is the formula. So that value is 180. Then what we want to find out? H value. So first of all, which base area is given. Base area means base part is in which shape? Rectangle shape. That is L into B. L into B value given as 180 centimeter square. The next second step, what we want to write? Volume of a cuboid. Write down. What is the formula for finding volume of a cuboid? That value is given. Volume directly given. You don't want to find 900 centimeter cube. But formula first you write. Length into breadth into height is the formula. That value is given. How much? That is equal to 900. But base area we know. Length into breadth just before step. How much? It is given as 180. But our aim is to find the H value. Height value find out. Equal 900. H is equal to multiplied 180 into opposite side comes to be denominator. 0, 0 cancel. Then 9 table 80 2 times 9 table 10. 90 how many times? 10 times. 2 and 10 cancel. So height to become how much? 5 centimeter is the height of this cuboid. That is the mean height of base area is given. Height of the cuboid. How to get it? The total area of this cuboid also given. Height how to find out? That area value is divided with base area. We get a height part getting that. That is the meaning. This is the second question. Next, third question. In third question, they says about. In third question, they given that here a cuboid shape is the dimension. Dimension means length, breadth, height. That value given as 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter, and 30 centimeter are the length, breadth, height of the cuboid. Then how many? They asking how many small cubes? How many small cubes cubes with the side value is given. Side of that small cube is given. 6 centimeter can be placed inside inside this cube. That is the question. Suppose just imagine this is a cube shape box. So I open this cube shape, then opening time and keep it here. How many small cubes I keep inside this cube box. Each of them side is how much? 6 centimeter is the side of the one cube. Such type, how many cube can be placed inside this cube? How to find out? First we find out how much capacity this cube have. What is the capacity? Capacity is volume. Volume of this cube first you find out. That is divided with the volume of the one cube. One cube side is given 6. So one cube volume finding and dividing time we get how many cube can be placed inside the cuboid box. So first given hint right. Length of the cuboid given as 60 centimeter. Breadth of the cuboid given as 54 centimeter. Height of the cuboid given as 30 centimeter. Then volume of cuboid first we find. Cuboid box first we find. Volume of cuboid box first you find. Is equal to, formula is length into breadth into height is the formula. Value 60 into 54 into 30. Right hand multiplying. Then here multiply this is here as 54 into 6. That answer is multiply with 30. Multiply and writing. Or later you can write anyhow. So how much multiply? The next volume of one cube find out. Volume of one cube means side cube is the volume formula for finding a cube is. Side value is given. How much? 6 centimeter is the side of the cube. A represent a side value. Instead of A place 6, but whole cube is the 6 whole cube means 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6 to become how much? 216 is the 6 cube will getting. Then number of cube can be placed. That is the question. Number of cube can be placed in the cuboid box. Place in cuboid box is equal to, how to find out? Volume of the cuboid box is divided with the volume of one cube. Cuboid box is divided with the volume of one cube. Volume of one cube. So volume of cuboid how much? Just a number right. Later we can cancel. That is easy. So length into breadth into height, that is 60 into 54 into 30. Here to multiply and write on. Lastly you can write a multiplying out. Then here this part 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6 right or 260 right. Anyhow here cancellation is in this way right to me. 6 table 6 one time. 6 table 60 10 times. Again 6 table 6 one time. 6 table 54 and 9 times. Again 6 table 6 one time. 6 table 35 times. See, it is easy for calculation. Here are 260 right is somewhat difficult. Anyhow same answer. The multiply 10 into 9 into 5. 10 into 9 90. 90 into 5 comes to be 450. Cubes can be inserted or placed in that cuboid box. That is the meaning of this question. Then next fourth question. Then fourth question they says about next fourth question they given as find the height of the cylinder. Fourth question they given us find the height of the cylinder. Find the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder find out. Then whose volume is given? Whose volume is directly given. You don't want to find. Volume of cylinder is directly given. Is equal to 1.54 meter cube is the volume. Diameter also given. Diameter of base also given as 140 centimeter. What they were asked to find out? Find out the height of the cylinder. This is the cylindrical shape. Cylinder height they asked to find out. What are the hint they given? Total entire volume. Volume means inside how much capacity. Volume of the cylinder given. Base diameter is given. But here one problem. Diameter is in centimeter. Volume is in a meter. Then, so here we see where centimeter cancelled to convert it to meter is easy. So, given hint first to be right. Diameter is given. Diameter is equal to how much? 140 centimeter. How to then radius become how much? Convert it to radius. Half of 140 represent as radius. Half means 70 centimeter represent as radius. But volume is in meter, radius is in. That's why convert centimeter to meter means this 70 is divided with 100 meter. The relation is 1 meter containing how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. That's why we want to convert to meter means smallest unit, convert to highest unit means division. Then it will become how much? 0.70 meter is the answer. Radius become this or fractional wise right. In calculation is it is easy. Fractional wise writing is easy for calculation. Next volume find out. Volume. Volume of a cylinder. What is the formula for it is given? How much? 1.5 meter. But we know the volume formula. What is the formula for finding volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h is the formula. That is given the 1.54. Pi placed 22 by 7 for easy calculation. R value we can write it as 70 by 100. How many times r square is that? That's why 2 times right hand multiply. H value they asked to find. Right side 1.54. They cancel. 0, 0 cancel. Here also 0, 0 cancel. Then 7 and 7 cancel. 2 table 10 5 times. 2 table 22 11 times. Again cancellation not possible. Then remaining part to become a numerator is 11 into 1 7 is there. Denominator become a 5 and 10 is there. 5 into 10 is there. Into h is equal to 1.54. Then this fractional number sent to opposite side. H value how to find it? This fractional number sent to opposite side means reciprocal take and multiply. 1.54 is the reciprocal of this number means 5 into 10 goes to numerator and 11 into 7 comes to be denominator. Cancellation possible, cancel. 11 table directly possible. 11 ones are 11. So 50 minus 11 comes to be 4. 4 and 4 to 44. 44 means how much it will coming 4 times 1 4. So 0.14 is the answer. Then again 7 table possible. 7 and 0.14 means 0.040 means 0.02. So denominator fully cancel. Numerator part here multiply 5 into 10 become 50. 50 into 0.02 multiply into how much? 2 5s are how much? 10 coming in. Then after decimal point 1 0 also. After decimal point how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. That's why from right to left 2 places take and put decimal point. So height to become how much? 1 meter is the answer. Height to become how much will getting 1 meter is the height. So I hope you can understand this question. Then next question. Next question we go through here fifth question. In that fifth question they says about a milk tank is the shape of the milk tank is like this cylindrical shape milk tank is there. Then whose radius is given, not a diameter. 1.5 meter is the radius. Length is the length means the height of the water tank is equal to 7 meter is the height. Then question find the quantity of milk can be held in this water tank. Quantity means what we want to find out, volume find out. Quantity, the word quantity or capacity mentioned means what we want to find, a volume find out. So given information, right? First radius directly given 1.5 meter. Length means height value is equal to how much? 7 meter. Volume of which shape this tank have a cylinder shape. So volume of milk tank, tank is in which shape? Tank is in the cylinder shape. That's why bracket you write a cylinder shape. Formula is pi r square, h is the formula. Pi place 22/7, radius place 1.5, but r square is the 2 times right hand multiply. H value given as 777 cancel. Remaining part multiplied 49.5 meter cube will it in the unit is in meter, the volume is a meter. Then what they ask, convert it to how much liter. Asking. So we want to convert a meter cube to liter. That means 1 meter cube containing 1000 liter is there. That's why getting answer and multiply with 1000 liter. So any number multiply with 1000 from left to right 3 places. So why? Because 1000 carry how many zeros? 3 zeros. So count already decimal after 1 digit is the 2 more places we need. That place missing means instead of that place we keep 2 zeros. Or otherwise 495 is multiplied with 1000 means numbers just you take, afterwards we can keep a decimal put. Any number multiply with 1000 means same number right hand put how many zeros? 3 zeros. Then here after decimal point how many digit? 1 digit. That's why from right to left 1 place take. So answer become how much liter? This 49,500. Point after 0 leave it. So 49,500 liter milk can hold in that water tank will get in. I hope you can understand this meaning. Next, one more question, last question of this chapter. Here there is a cuboid shape. One reservoir is there. Reservoir is in shape of a cuboid shape. Then how much liter? Here 60 liter can be hold in a pour. 60 liter water can be poured inside within 1 minute. 60 liter water can pour inside this reservoir or water tank. Just imagine a cuboid shape water tank is there. Within 1 minute, how much liter can be poured in that water tank? 60 liter water can be poured inside that water tank. Question asking here, if the volume of reservoir also they given. Volume of the reservoir is given. Volume of reservoir means that water tank is given as a 108 meter cube. What they asking? They asking finding how much hour time asking how much time required for fulfilling this water tank. How much time required for this much big water tank? So how much cuboidal shape? How much hour required for fully filling the water? So what we want to do? Volume is given there. So volume given as how much? So answer please we can write volume of water tank or volume of a reservoir is equal to how much? 108 meter cube. Answer we want in the liter case. That's why meter cube convert to liter. Already we learned 1 meter cube containing how much liter? 1000 liter. That's why 108 is multiplied with 1000 liter. So how much? 108,000 liter will. So our water tank has how much is the capacity? Capacity become 108,000 liter can be holding a big water tank, cuboid water tank. This is then they given us a water pour in 1 minute. Water can pouring in 1 minute. It is given pouring in 1 minute. It is given in the question how much? 60 liter. So our water tank has how much volume? So water can water can filling or pouring, filling in 1,08,000 liter. 1 liter is equal to, how to find how to find out means 1,000, that value is divided with 60. 1 minute case filling our water tank at how much water can fill in the tank, or a reservoir. How much hour we wanted. So volume of the water tank is divided by within 1 hour, 1 minute, how much quantity of water will pouring in the tank, that is 60 liter. Then our answer is in here answer is in minute case. We want to find question asking how much hour. So how to convert to hour? 1 hour containing how many minutes? 60 minutes are there. 1 hour containing 60 minutes are there. That's why how to convert to minutes, how to convert to hour, divided. So 1 minute containing how much hour asking that? 1/60 hours are there. That's why this volume water divided with 60 hour 1/60. Then cancel 0 0 cancel 0 0 cancel. 6 table 108 means 6 table directly we can cancel or 6 table 10 means 1 times 6, 10 minus 6 to become 4, 48 means 8 time and 1 0 again 6 table 6 1 time, 180 means 30. So how much hour required? 30 hours required for filling this water tank. That is the meaning of the question. So how much hours? 30 hours required for fill that much big water tank it is. So this is the meaning of this question. So this chapter is completed. Thank you.